Okay, my healthy friends, let's make a simple breakfast just for me. I'm using 1 cup of oats. It's gonna be gluten-free, and I'm gonna turn it into oat flour. Ooh, perfect. This is just perfect for 1 person. Okay, I have my pan. I will add 1 cup of oat milk. You can add whichever milk that you like. A pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of chocolate chip, and then we're just going to whisk this. Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. It is totally free, and hit the bell so you can get your what? Notifications. And to that, the oat flour that we just grind. Okay, and then we will whisk this together. And that's pretty much all you need for that part of this recipe. Let's move on to what we're going to be doing next. Okay, so we have our apples. I have 1 apple there, and as you may see, I have already dished it out into my container. Just enough for 1 person, just enough for 1 person. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am just going to cut these apples up. Okay, my healthy friends, so we have our apples that's sliced up. Turn this around, and I'm going to show you how I am going to do this. I'm adding some blueberries, antioxidants. We have our fiber. We have protein. We have antioxidants. We have everything in this recipe here. You can have it for dessert. You can have it for breakfast. You can have it for lunch. And then I will add some sunflower seeds on top. Ooh, look at that. Cinnamon on top. Let's just top that off with a tip of maple syrup. Let's taste this deliciousness. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, guys. This is delicious. Make it with your family. Make it for yourself. Breakfast, lunch, dessert, whatever you want to make it. Have a great day. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. And say it with me. Stay healthy.